Now, it's not every day you get to talk to incredible women doing amazing things. You know, we always say we want to give women that space, that platform, but it's the women who do the work, who inspire other women. So when it comes to legends, I don't talk too much. I'm going to let her introduce herself. Yes. Anyhow, me, I could go on and on and on, but Auntie, kindly introduce herself.
So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum.
Where do you get an intro like this? You see how perfect that was? You've been nominated for awards. Your performances are amazing. How do you stay so consistent?
Um, Grace of God. I bet you've heard it over and over and over, but that's the truth. The grace of God, total and absolute reliance on God, listening to the people around me, paying attention, learning the trade, trying to work towards perfection. We haven't achieved it yet, but we're not where we used to be. And knowing that He who's brought us this far is faithful.
Very faithful. Now, when it comes to gospel music, it's a very big genre and it's getting even bigger. How do you deal with, so to speak, the pressure, you know, of people looking up to you so much, all these eyes on you? And is it pressure? Are you calm with it?
I have to say it's not pressure at all because I'm living, what you're seeing is what you're getting. I think it becomes a pressure when you're living a double standard life, but this is what it is, inside the house and outside the house. And so if what we're doing is right outside, then I think it's also right at home.
Awesome, awesome. When it comes to award shows, do you expect to win? Are you like, oh, if I get it, I'll take it? What are your expectations when it comes to award shows?
What do you normally do? What do you normally do?
When it comes to stuff like this, oh, me, I leave it to God.
Thank you. I'll copy you today.
You understand? You see, that's the energy. That's what we are talking about. What do you want to tell your fans? Because you inspire so many, you know. There are little girls who look up, even little boys who want to be like you, who want to actually be you. What do you want to tell these little kids who you inspire so much, and even the adults?
I think what I want to do and what I want to say is to say thank you for allowing me into your life, for granting me space and room within whatever space you have. I.e., you could have listened to any song, but to listen to mine, to go watch an interview, appreciate that. And so thank you to every child who worried the mother to play Adum, and every party person who said, I want to walk into that birthday party with Diana's song. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please keep inspiring us. Release more music, Auntie.
All right,
and guys,
thank
all
you.
the best tonight.
Thank you.